Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Crypto Fights. It's a brand new play to earn blockchain project, guys, and in this video you will see the details of it. I am really excited to tell you more about it. Okay guys, now we're on the cryptofights.com. I am really excited about this one, guys. It's a brand new way to play to earn. It's a game where you can battle, craft and earn. If you want to check this out, I got the link down below in description part, guys. Without further ado, let's get started. So guys, it is very cool one. We battle monsters in dungeons and other players to get loot. We collect items and components when we play to craft into more powerful items, sell or melt them on our NFT marketplace, and we can play and earn through gameplay. Better players are earning better rewards, of course. This game is partly community owned and influenced by the players, so this makes the project so exciting. You can come here to the website, click that play button, download the game, start playing now. You need to create your crypto wallet, design your fighter, complete the tutorial, and then you can start fight through the dungeons and reach the PvP arena where you can win real BSV. Their token is great, guys. You will love the details of the project. They have really great graphics. The gameplay always gets you. You will definitely love playing this one. Go ahead, check the links in description part. Okay. Crypto Fights, 2 unique features. Crafting and enchanting, guys. It's a universe of options to craft and enchant items to your liking or buy and sell them on the marketplace. For more details, all you need to do is click how it works button. There is portal charging. You can obtain valuable portal fragments to charge portals for FYX token rewards. You can become a god here, rise up in the leaderboards and earn passive rewards. Don't let your guard down though. Other fighters can take your spot anytime. Game has a player-owned economy that thrives on competition. We can see the FYX CFC token is the basis of CryptoFights economy, guys. Players will dispense CFC tokens to perform actions in the system and will receive CFC tokens as prizes or rewards, guys. Token use Bitcoin CF as its base layer with potential future cross-chain bridges that extend to the ERC20 systems on Ethereum to access DeFi networks. I found their token really promising. They explain why Bitcoin SV and token distribution. Lots of things happening here for the Crypto Fights. They did amazing jobs, guys. There is a hard-working team behind this project. You can totally trust them. You can come here, see all these details, but guys, in this video I want to focus more on the gameplay and show you how to play and earn with this one. I hope you are enjoying the video, guys. Don't forget to like this and share it with your friends. I am sharing the projects with huge potential on this channel. Okay guys, now I'm on the Crypto Fights. We can see this huge map over here. We have Grand Arena where you have Woodland Forest. If you click there, you will see this Overlord. You will be able to see your tokens over here, guys. If you go to the bank, you can receive BSV. You can send BSV to your friends. You can send CFS. You can swap BSV and buy BSV from the bank, and also they have the caravan over there. You can see this is my fighter. It is level 1 and it has great skills, but also we have some unlocked skills here And we can see the stats of the character: health, strength, intelligence, initiative, evasion. Guys, by playing the game you can increase your stats. Of course, the items, I don't have anyone right now, my actions and my skills. From the marketplace, guys, you can buy your tokens. As you can see, CFC token is live and available in game, and also their NFT marketplace is coming soon, guys. They are just expanded their game. They're adding more bosses and a whole world, including 9 new regions and new warriors hub, which is so cool. Lots of things will be coming for this project. It will be huge, and you can understand that even now. I need to be level 3 to unlock this area. Unlock PvP mode, guys. You need to complete the dungeons training first. I will show you how to do it, and this is the warrior hub. I hope everything is clear now. If you have any questions, of course, you can go join their communities on Discord and Telegram. Also, you can ask anything in the comments. If you want to download this game, check the description part, guys. So this is Woodland Forest. Guys, let me show you how to start. Okay, I'm in playing room now, and I have an opponent. You can see the dices here. They show my moves, and I am attacking to the Bogart. I will go. You can see his moves over here on his profile and mine's on mine. This is a focusing, hiding, and attack. I will continue with attack, guys. You need to wait for your turn. It shows your turn. And guys, I need at least 8 to hit. So as you can see, I got him. This is a victory, and I have practice whip now. Wow, it is very, very cool. I will keep this main hand for now, and let's continue. It gives you some rewards when you complete the training, guys. You need to roll a dice for each weapon, then inflict that much damage. If you roll 20, inflict a critical hit dealing 3x damage. You need to pick your next move here. And you can see if you lose the match, this is what's happening. There is a tip. Guys, dexterity affects initiative, evasion, and quick chance. My character is crying over here. You can come here, practice to start playing. Now I am back to the world map. We have town and overworld here, guys. This is very easy. There is also skill tree. You need to tap on the icons to learn more about each skill, guys. Some skills have a level requirement, others require you to unlock another skills first. It goes like that, and if you play a lot, you can have lots of skills, which makes you powerful, of course. And now you got the part of the game, guys. You need to attack with right moves. This is how easy to earn in-game tokens. I really like that one. Crafting and enchanting is on development and they are really coming soon. If you get in here to the white paper, you can read more about the project. CryptoFights Battlegrounds Evolved. It's this fighting strategy game built on the blockchain, guys. Players create fighters and use them to fight in the dungeons against non-player enemies or enter the battlegrounds to play against other players for rewards. We can also collect components to craft weapons, guys, trade items, and activate battle portals by staking tokens and using portal fragments. If you're interested with fighting strategy games, I'm sure you will love this one. The gameplay, they show the primary object in. Of course, guys, the primary objective in CryptoFights is to turn a fighter into a powerful foe and win against monsters and other fighters. Players can grow their arsenal via components collected from the battlefield, craft powerful items, attain fragments to activate the portal, and fight for a place in the leaderboards. All of these actions require and produce FYX tokens. It is very clear, I'm sure you got all the points. You need to pick an action, roll for attack, and roll for damage. I showed you a win and a lose, guys. On Caravan, I choose to go with elves, but there are dwarves and humans also. You can choose any of them and create fighters. Create any fighter you want. You can set your abilities before starting. There is a fighting monsters PvE mode and the arena fighting other players PvP mode. PvP modes are of course more exciting. The skill tree shows the leveling fighters. As player fights, they gain XPs, which allows them to level up their fighters. Leveling up means allocating new ability scores or unlocking new skills. Farming, crafting. Crafting permits players to transform components and weapons into other more powerful items, guys. It is also how players create portal fragments. Components are the raw materials that players combine in the crafting system. Guys, portal fragments are the ultimate representation of gameplay forge. Players mainly obtain them via the crafting system by dismantling powerful items and combining rare components. Only the most dedicated players own portal fragments. Burning fragments are here also. Players charge portals by locking a batch of portal fragments. The fragments are periodically destroyed and CFC token rewards are sent to the player. Where the rewards came from, guys, they came from two distinct sources. Both are equitably divided amongst all players. Burning fragments within a given time range based on the proportion of fragments burned. They're coming from newly minted CFC tokens and PvP fees. Marketplace, you can see they will be freely tradable within the FYX gaming marketplace. All NFT items will have the following properties: low fees to transact, quick settlement times, easy to use and transfer SAS. They have really great benefits. Guys, if you want to see more, I highly recommend you to come and check this out with details. Token and crafting quick guide is also here on FYX gaming. This guide is a quick review of crafting and enchanting features coming to CryptoFights 2 this fall. CFC tokens will be the native currency used in the entire CryptoFights ecosystem. Guys, with the release of CryptoFights 2, all game functions will require CFC tokens, similarly to how games require earnable or purchasable currencies to unlock features. Most in-game actions will cost less than a few cents, which is great. Common uses of tokens include marketplace, creating fighters, crafting and enchanting materials, weapons and armor, PvP arenas and PvE bosses, fighter respect, advanced staking in arenas, and lots of things will be included. Guys, how can you access more CFC tokens? You can win in arenas or advanced take in the arenas. You can sell or hold CFC tokens, collecting rare weapons, materials, scrolls, or blueprints and selling them in the marketplace. Craft rare or common weapons, materials. Craft portal fragments. Craft portal fragments and use them for portal charging and make the gas leaderboard. I want to show you that, guys, BSV tops 20 million transactions in a day and aims for much more. So this shows how they're promising is the project, and they have really nice tokens and resources behind this one. I hope you like that one, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. CryptoFies is gonna be really huge, I believe that, and don't forget to share what you think about the project. Thanks for watching me. Thank you for your time. See you in new videos.